Good evening, everyone. This is Krishna Kumar hosting this webinar for Definite Solutions. Hope the screen should be visible by now. Have you guys used this feature? Prashant talked about it in the previous video. So you have this 52-week scanner. So number of bars 52. I'm using the weekly time frame here. And what is the retracement allowance I wish to give? Let us keep it default as 15. So this table a table will be generated. So this gives you the number of bars that has gone by after the price hit the 52-week high. So in the case of 3M India, the 3 bars ago the 52-week high was completed. So if you notice, this is your 52-week high, and after that 3 bars have been printed. So that is the meaning of this bar number. So in the case of ABB, there are 9 bars that has been printed after the 52-week high. This is useful for people who want to focus on stocks which are within X% from 52-week highs and stuff like that. So you can use this particular scanner. So again, if you notice, this gives you the retracement percentage from the 52-week high and the number of bars that has gone by. So let us see, one of the interesting things that you can do is look for candidates where a lot of bars have been printed. And mind you, we are talking about a weekly time frame, and you can look at a relatively small retracement. So these would be candidates where price is broadly in some kind of a consolidation for several weeks, and price damage has not happened big time. This is weekly. We have chosen the weekly time frame. So the bar is 51 weekly. Basically, it is 51 weeks. So Rajesh Exports is an interesting candidate. So it made a 52-week high. Should be somewhere over here. And then basically it has been consolidating forever. Right? So if it is 0, obviously it means 52-week high has been hit on the current bar, right? So you can sort it in any of the columns that you want. So there are quite a few stocks even in this market which have hit new 52-week highs, so out of the Nifty 500 universe. So you can see the so you can use make use of this table, and of course you also have what is the percentage retracement. So we have given a threshold of 20. So if it is within 20, within your prescribed threshold, those things will be mentioned, and if it is more than 20, those things will also be mentioned. So I can sort it in the comment column as well. So you'll get the segregation between retracement which is more than 20 and retracement which is less than 20, retracement within 20%. So you can change this also. Maybe you can make it 5 or make it 10 depending upon the market condition. So let us make it 10. So let us see how many stocks are within 10% of the 52-week high. So this is a very interesting scanner. So you can look for fresh 52-week highs and maybe trade the follow through buy in those candidates alone in 0.25%. That could be an interesting strategy. It's a momentum strategy that you can think of. So we are looking for retracement within 10%. So you can look at the candidates and then decide. So this is one feature that you can take a look at. Yeah, you can do for 26-week high also. See, if you change the number of bars to 26, you will get 20 to 26 week high or anything. You can do it in monthly or quarterly, yearly, daily, whatever you want. See, how to access the scanner? Go click on scanner, come to Smart Scanner, and within Smart Scanner, you have 52-week N period, high, low, etc., etc. Somewhere in the middle of Smart Scanners. This is how you get to this menu. Okay, and then you choose the group that you want to scan, and you can use the parameters here. So if I'm looking for candidates which are trading very close to their 52-week high, you just have to use the default settings. So the default setting will be weekly. Otherwise, if you click on the weekly button, number of bars 52, and retracement you can give any number that you want, doesn't matter, and hit on the scan button. So depending upon the number that you choose here in retracement, this comment section will be populated accordingly.